back to my channel. Have you ever thought about how one of the world's slipperiest animals ends up as a rich, grilled delicacy on your plate? Over 200 million eels are eaten each year, especially in Japan and other parts of Asia. But what's surprising? Most of these eels aren't caught in rivers or oceans anymore. They're farmed in massive indoor tanks, raised with carefully made diets, and processed using high-speed machines inside modern seafood factories. This isn't some small village tradition. It's a multi-billion-dollar aquaculture industry, packed with technology, timing, and science. From tiny baby eels to juicy grilled fillets ready for restaurants, the journey is anything but simple. We're going behind the scenes to show you every step, how they're bred, sorted, fed, harvested, filleted, and grilled to perfection. If you've ever tasted unagi or seen glazed eel over rice, this is the story behind that flavor. Welcome to the incredible world of eel farming. And no, you've never seen it like this before. In 2010, Japan made a major leap in seafood farming. Scientists figured out how to breed and grow eels entirely in tanks, without needing to catch them from rivers or the ocean. Before that, eel farming always depended on capturing baby eels in the wild. This discovery helped protect wild eel populations, which were dropping fast. Now, farms across Japan and Asia raise eels in safer, more controlled spaces, like indoor tanks, man-made ponds, and filtered water systems. To keep baby eels, known as elvers, healthy, staff test the water often and check for signs of illness or stress. As these eels grow, they're moved to larger tanks that feel like a natural riverbed, giving them the space and comfort to grow strong. As eels grow larger, something surprising happens. They start turning aggressive. In crowded tanks, the bigger ones begin to bite and bully the smaller ones. This isn't random behavior, it's instinct. In the wild, eels fight for space and food, and they bring that same attitude into the farms. If left unchecked, the weaker eels end up injured or even eaten. To prevent this, eel farmers step in with a smart solution: weekly grading. During these sessions, farm workers carefully collect the eels, sort them based on size, and then move them into separate tanks. Each tank holds eels of similar size so that none are outmatched. This stops fights, reduces stress, and makes sure every eel gets an equal chance to eat, swim, and grow properly. It's a key step in raising healthy eels and keeping peace in the tank. Eels raised on farms need a special diet. They don't eat random leftovers or cheap food. Instead, each meal is a carefully prepared mix, made with fish meal, fish oil, and added vitamins and minerals to help them grow fast and stay strong. This formula gives them everything their bodies need. Farmers don't guess the portions. They watch how the eels behave while eating. If they finish too quickly or leave food behind, the feeding amount or timing gets adjusted. This kind of close monitoring ensures each eel grows at a healthy pace. Feeding happens twice a day, every day. It's not just about growth, it also keeps the eels active, healthy, and ready for the next stage of farming. Eel farming takes patience. These creatures grow slowly, often taking between 1 and 3 years to reach the right size for harvest. When the time comes, farm workers step in with precision and care. Instead of using machines that might stress or injure them, workers rely on hand nets and specially designed eel traps to scoop them out gently. Once harvested, the eels go through another round of sorting. The larger ones, now thick and strong, are sent for processing. Medium-sized eels are sold to markets or restaurants, still fresh and whole. The smallest ones, not quite ready, are usually kept or sold to other farms as breeding stock, continuing the cycle of sustainable farming. Once the eels are harvested, the cleaning process begins. Their skin is naturally slimy, so trained workers use special tools to gently remove that layer. This step is important because it keeps the meat clean without cutting or bruising it. After that, the eels move to high-speed filleting machines. These machines are designed to handle the slippery texture and sharp curves of eel bodies. Each machine slices the eels with incredible accuracy, creating smooth, even cuts. But the job isn't left to machines alone. Skilled staff stand nearby, watching every piece that comes out. They double-check for mistakes, remove any damaged parts, and make sure the quality stays perfect, because only the best fillets move forward for cooking. Now comes the most mouth-watering part, grilling. After cleaning and slicing, the eel fillets are placed on long, automated grilling lines. These machines don't just cook, they transform. Each fillet moves slowly through heat zones, where it's carefully basted with sauce, glazed for shine, and lightly smoked to lock in flavor. The grill lines are fully automated, but this isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. Expert chefs keep watch at every stage. They adjust the temperature, sauce blend, and smoke timing based on how the fillets look and smell. That careful balance gives each piece its deep golden color, rich aroma, and that soft, flaky texture people love. Behind every perfect bite is this blend of smart machines and skilled hands. After grilling, the eels move straight to the packaging section, where precision matters most. Every piece is still hot, juicy, and coated in a rich glaze. To lock in that flavor, workers place them on cooling trays for a few moments. Then, slide them onto automated packing lines. Here, machines vacuum seal each eel in airtight pouches. This step helps preserve their moist texture, bold aroma, and grilled taste without needing any artificial preservatives. Labels are printed, packs are weighed, and boxes are sealed, all in a smooth, efficient process. Within hours, these packaged eels are ready to ship to high-end restaurants, sushi bars, supermarkets, and delivery services, especially in Japan, where demand for top-quality unagi never slows down. Japan loves eel more than any other country. Dishes like unadon, grilled eel over rice, are famous for their bold, smoky flavor and rich texture. And it all starts in high-tech eel farms you've seen today. Would you try it? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the world's most fascinating foods.